Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone with iOS 26 and let me share with you how to manage, how to turn on and off writing tool settings on this device. So we need to start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll and find the option Screen Time. Then let's scroll down and find Content and Privacy Restrictions. And here go to Intelligence and Siri. So here, as you can see, we've got writing tools. In my case, it is allowed, but of course, if you want to turn it off, just mark don't allow. And if you'd like to turn it on, just mark allow. And this is how to manage the writing tools, which are intelligent in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.